Hello, YouTube friends. This is Gigi Reacts, Lithuanian in the UK, and today I'm reacting to Embrace Life, Always Wear Your Seatbelt. Sounds pretty explanatory, so we will see what this one is about. I bet it's not comedy. Um, if you press like, subscribe, and submit your recommendations to the link below. And let's see what this one is about. Quality doesn't look like that it's the best. Let me see if there's an option. It is the highest one as it should. Okay. Oh, okay. I I didn't expect it to get emotional, but yeah, it got me. I guess when you have family and then you imagine if something would happen to this to you or to your husband or to your kids, it's just yeah, it gets you emotional. Yeah, we always wear a seatbelt, but you never know what's down the road. You don't know what's around the corner, you know. So just yeah, I didn't expect it to get teary eye, but this was beautiful, and I thought it was gonna be more. Well, we have some funny videos to react to, but this was an interesting one, and I like how the family showed that the seat belt basically they're protecting each other, so that's a nice symbolism, and yeah, it's important message. So thank you for being here. I will do another video soon, so see you in the next video. Bye.